everyone, it's What's Cooking, and for anyone who knows me, they know that today's a very special day because somebody that I absolutely love, my favorite performer on the planet Earth, it's Cher's birthday today, and she's 74 years young. And I can guarantee you that if COVID wasn't happening right now, she'd be on stage performing somewhere and also bragging about how she could do a 5-minute plank. A 5-minute plank. I can't do like a 50-second plank. So I have Cher music playing in the background. I have my Cher trusty dusty little bag right here that Darren Schneider gave me. You know, one of those songs, Strong Enough, right? It's like one of my favorite songs. So when, you know, bad things happen to people, you just put on some Cher music and let it rock. So today, it's What's Cooking. I am going to make a spicy Thai coconut chicken tofu kind of contraption, if you will. So I've got fresh ginger that I'm going to grate. I've got red pepper, slicing super, super thinly, some fresh spring onions, green onions. Philip doesn't like them, but shh, don't tell him. He's hiking right now, so he won't know. I've got jalapeno pepper right here that I'm going to dice very finely. And also, I ended up not using these crazy looking mushrooms yesterday in the chicken marsala. I ended up, I think they'll be really good in the Thai soup. So, and speaking of Thai, if you are in the Encinitas area, please support Chef Kay. She has Thai Society, and she's doing curbside pickup, and she's also even like selling ingredients that you can go home and make your own. She's phenomenal. She is so talented and beautiful and kind and generous. I don't have lemongrass and I don't even know where to find it, but I found this tube of lemongrass. So ingredients, coconut, I have a coconut cream and a coconut milk and a chicken stock, and I've got these spicy red sambal chilies, so all that's going in the soup. And then Stephanie and Ralph turned me on to Amazon to find this green curry paste. And they say it's like the best they've ever found, so you can Google it, and Amazon sells it. So I have that going, and then I also have some of the chicken's favorite snack. I'm not even gonna tell them. I tried to grow cilantro last summer, and they ate it all. So this year, I can only grow it up high where they don't know, because it's like crack to chickens, they love it. So beautiful, I know it's a genetic thing. You either love cilantro or you hate cilantro. Like my friend Sherry Powers can't stand cilantro. I love it. So, and coriander, right? Coriander and cilantro are kind of the same thing. So I'm gonna chop some of this up at the end and put that in with the green onions, okay? So we're gonna saute the mushrooms up, and I wanna make sure they're dry and not wet, because I did wash them really well. Actually, I'm gonna get a paper towel to dry them, just to be safe. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing today? Good? I hope. Sounds like things are starting to open up. Like all the states are now opened, and different businesses are opening. I know some of the restaurants are opening, but not all of them are choosing to open this week. They might sit out a week and just kind of get their bearings to see how things go. I know even our friends that are in Spain said the same thing. You know, some bars and restaurants in Spain chose not to open when they could, and they're just kind of waiting another week to make that happen. So that's exciting news, right? And then today, this is the coolest thing. All right, so my friend Kellee, I've talked to you before about her More Than Candles. She lives in Florida. She's, you know, a parent, a female business entrepreneur, and I ordered these little candles, and look, cute little box with this beautiful little ribbon, gorgeous handmade candles, right? This is tea rose, labeled, very beautiful script on there, but then they come with this cute little sticker, and the sticker says, "Thank you for helping me grow." Isn't that awesome? And you can put two and a little message on there. So some people in our lives are going to get these as little gifts. I just thought they were cool and a great way to support you know, our small businesses, even if they're not in San Diego. We support the whole country, the universe, whatever we can do. So I am happy that we have these, and they come with a little box that you assemble, and that little cute green ribbon. Cool, huh? I like it. So that is kind of what's going on. I could babble on for a little bit and slice some stuff up. I know I'm not even using a regular slicing knife. Oh, what I do, I love the rotisserie chicken that's pre-packaged from Costco. You can use it in chili, you can use it in, for example, this soup. I find that if I use you know, fresh chicken breast and I cook them myself, I think they get really dry. So this is very juicy, and I will be adding this to the Thai curry chicken spicy soup that I'm gonna make. And I'm gonna slice up these little veggies very tiny. I think we need like a Zoom birthday party tonight for Cher. And like get the party box going and the music going and just like kick up our heels and sing at the top of our lungs. I mean, I love her. I think she's wildly talented, and I think she's badass. I mean, freaking 74 years old. I want whatever she's taken, and the energy that she has and the talent. And I hear that she's supposed to have a new song out or a new album coming, so that'll be very, very cool. And I know my friend Scott, whose husband James is a pianist and singer, and he is doing a lot of Instagram shows. And again, remember, our musicians are not making any money because there's no place for them to play. So it's super important to support them, especially when they do Instagram lives as well as Facebook lives. And Venmo or PayPal, what have you. See, I'm getting better, Eric Gilman. I'm getting better at my slicing, and I'm even using my spatula to do it. I'll grate up some of this ginger. So we are getting ready to, we have a property up in Oceanside in a 55 plus community that was staged today by Ascent staging company, Richard. And we can't wait to get the photos done on Monday and get that live so that we can help our clients who need to sell, you know, and do it all following the safety and COVID rules, right? So we definitely can help do all that. It's crazy that, you know, with as little inventory as we have, we're getting multiple offers on listings, and there's major buyers out there still trying to buy. And they're serious. They are not just looky-loos. And, okay, so I got the ginger done. I've got my jalapeno pepper, my red pepper. I've got green onions that I need to slice up as well. I'm not going to use the whole red pepper. And then we will have some yummy, creamy chicken, coconut Thai curry craziness, and sit out in the backyard and hang out. Yesterday I had the dilemma with the girls picking on little Ricky. Well, today Philip Fredrickson, he was cleaning the coop, and he always lets them out when the coop gets cleaned. And all of a sudden we couldn't find Ginger, like at all. Like we were, I mean, pretty much I was getting in a panic. I was panicked, I can tell you. And we finally, like she just showed up. We don't know where she went, but she was somewhere for quite a long time, missing in action. So not good to lose one of the chickie chews, for sure. All right, so I am gonna put all this together, and I think it's gonna be delicious. Get the, I have some oil in here and some garlic, vegetable oil, not olive oil. I'm gonna get that going. And then I'm gonna first do the mushrooms, kind of get them flavorful and seared off. And then I'll add the coconut milk, the chicken stock, a good portion of this chili stuff, and the curry. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Actually, I'm gonna put the curry. If any of my chefs are watching, maybe they can give me the sequence of events, because I just wing this stuff, right? I just am making it up as I go along and hope that it comes out. I've only done this one other time in my life, and it was for a dinner party. And I can't remember who was here for dinner, but there's one person that was here for dinner that won't eat soup. So I made them like a little shrimp dish instead of soup. But I love making soup. I don't know about you guys. I've got fresh asparagus and fresh broccoli in the fridge, and I just know that it's going to be broccoli cheddar soup one night, and it's going to be cream of asparagus soup. Aha! I hear a little bit of sizzling going on. So I've got the garlic and the curry in there, and I'm going to throw more of the curry in. Hopefully, I'm not going to make it so hot that we can't even eat it. And the chicken's already pre-rotisserie and nice and juicy. I'm going to put the coconut, oh, no, mushrooms first, see? I'm even forgetting what I'm doing. Okay. Nice little sizzle there. Get a little spatula out. It's orange. And the necklace I'm wearing, my friend Amy Meals made this. She is a local jewelry maker and artist. She was on KUSI News for years and years and years. She's a phenomenal human being and from Ohio. You know, typically people from Ohio have each other's backs, right? Not always, but they should, typically. I know my classmates are the most amazing. I'm so fortunate to have the group of classmates that I have. Our graduating high school, we still have class reunions, we still support each other, we still have our own Facebook page together. Whenever I go home, which is not very often, but when I do, we always have like mini reunions because I love getting everybody together. And even in my kindergarten class, there's like 8 of us that are still absolutely speed bumps in the road for one another. I think it's so cool that we have that. Oh, can you guys hear Cher? She's totally rocking it. And it's my favorite song, Strong Enough. So there you go. Luckily, I'm not singing it because the cats and dogs in the neighborhood would start howling. Okay, I just poured some of this stuff in. Like I said, I'm just kind of winging it, right? And some chicken stock. It's hard to make food for just 2. And our neighbor Jan said she's good tonight. She has leftovers, so I mean, I'm just going to put this whole thing in here. There we go. And I think I'm going to try to rally some people tonight to do a Cher happy birthday Zoom scenario. I think that'd be super fun. And I'm going to put the coconut milk. One of them is milk and one of them is cream. Okay? Ooh, it's looking really good. It's kind of got this green vibe going. That looks delish. So you can see, look at this. So this is like really, ooh, super rich and creamy. I wonder if with Chef Deb's coconut margarita that she has on YouTube, by the way, from Costera, that they've sold like millions of. She did a video on how to make her famous coconut margarita. I wonder if, I'm gonna have to ask her if we could use this to make that, because the ingredient she used we haven't been able to find yet. Maybe they only sell it at Bevmo. But whoa, I am digging this. Okay. Did anybody find out what else opened in the county today? Like more restaurants, more, did Newsom give us an update? Usually Philip has that update, but he is not here at the moment. So if anybody knows, I'd be excited to hear. Hoping hair salons open soon, nail salons open soon, right? I heard that like La Jolla Plastic Surgery on Fay Avenue, Dr. Monty, she got to open again, which is awesome. So she's a friend of ours, and we love her and want to support her. We're hoping on Friday to go get curbside from Chef Giuseppe in La Jolla at Candor. Okay, so we have that going. Put these away here, and now I'll just let, oh, I could put the ginger in too, huh? And those little peppers. Okay. Did you guys all see Burlesque with Christina Applegate and Cher? One of my favorite shows, movies on the planet, and I believe it's on Netflix right now. So you might want to check it out if you're as obsessed with her as I am. honestly. I wish that we could, oh, you know what Sunday would be? Sunday, we were supposed to go to the Journey concert. Man, just missing all these amazing performances of all these fantastic bands, right? Yeah, I suck at cutting, slicing. I know I'm just totally not doing a good job, but it is what it is. It's just Philip and I. He won't mind, except for those green onions that I'm gonna have to try to hide from him. Maybe I'll just put those in mine, you know? So the cool thing is I can just kind of pick these up and dump them on in here. I think this is gonna be delicious. So, all right, that's what's cooking. Everybody stay physically distant while staying socially connected, and be well, be safe, and I appreciate your support, and I really appreciate your support when I had a little incident happen last night that made me really sad. You know, life happens, people do things, you know, I don't think people often think before they do some stupid things, but nonetheless, I had my feelings hurt, and I don't often cry, but I literally cried myself to sleep last night. It took a lot of concealer and anti-puffiness to make me be okay today. And you know when you cry, you just feel kind of funky afterwards, so today was a little bit of a tough day. But we'll pull up our bootstraps and we'll carry on. Take care.